Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a duel and a deck profile, whatever. Y'all know how I do it. I want to give a big shout out and thanks to my wife, my beautiful, beautiful wife, for helping me do my videos. So y'all already can probably tell what I'm playing. No, it's not Ojamas. You wish it was Ojamas. Trust me, you're gonna wish it was Ojamas. Mm, nope. Mystic Mind Fun. She's asking what I'm playing. This helps lock up build up too, which is good, I guess. That 1800 damage. Also, I don't know why she's getting mad at me. She played fucking Trick Stars last time. So it's like. Also, she did that backwards. It was supposed to be over after damn Chain Link 2 Lost World. She did it Lost World Chain Link 1 and then so you know after Chain Link 2. I know because it solved first. Man, I'm good at this game and you could like just look at it and like that's wrong. I mean, I didn't have any ass blossoms, obviously, but still. Hmm? Why didn't she pop the overtag? She had it on hand? Which is, I guess, good. Then on hand. Two, four, six. Hmm. Okay. Like six-ish turns. I can after each turn. And you know what she does here. Nice, by the way. Thinking off with it. I didn't open up with the, not one of my cards that I needed. Is this singles or a match? I think I made it singles by mistake. Oh, shit. Well, that was most unfortunate. Oh, she has 4 dinos in gray, so she can banish Giant Rex and summon a level 4. Summon Giant Rex to make a Lagia or Dolka, whatever. And Link summoning with the tokens was genius on her part, because it gets rid of them without destroying them. So she can, hmm. Shoot, that fuck will be big. That fuck will be big too. Shit. Still, a level 4 3K beat stick. That's crazy. Shit. Fuck my life. Where's Mystic Mind when you need it? I've thought about, huh? So I've thought about making these replays. So let's see if she messes this up. Nope, she did good. Good job. so that way I can do more video, more duels. Did you tackle the way off yet? That was close. Um, honestly, I'd probably link slash exceed with the Infinity because he's gonna get destroyed during the invade anyway. Might as well make use of him. But anyway, so that way I can have more of a duel video because it goes quicker. Because when you watch a replay, you don't watch the wait time, which that adds up quick. Uh, so it'd be more duel time and less and more time for deck profiling or whatever. Like this is a single and it's already been 6 minutes. But to be fair, someone opened up insanely busted. What could she resolve? What effect can she activate? This way the deck alter what I draw, so I won't be drawn into a trap, which means I'm more likely to draw into one of my other cards that I want. Like Mystic Mine. I'm gonna get the terraforming, just so I can deck in even more. Because why not? No! I should have fucking. Oh man! I should have gotten the Mystic Mine. To be fair, there was no way I knew she was gonna have an Ash Blossom. Screw it. I'm gonna lose next turn anyway. So, might as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to everything and comment below. So, I'm gonna do a deck profile real quick. So, 3 Liliths, 3 Mystic Mine, 1 Terraforming, 3 Demise of the Land, 3 Polar Duality, 3 Pot of Extravagance, 3 Wave Motion Cannon. I thought about cutting this to 2. Maybe. I don't know. 3 Secret Burial, 3 Secret Blast, 3 Justice Asserts, 3 Ojama 3-0, 1 Metaphors, 3 Trap Tricks, 3 Solemn Judgment, and 2 Dark Vibe. So, yeah, it's pretty standard. I play 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 copies of Mystic Mine, so I have no idea why I couldn't get to it. 1 Solomon Great, 5 Violet Chimera, 1 World Challenge God Dragon Fusion Guy, 1 Nightmare Mermaid, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerberus, 1 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 Nightmare Griffin, 1 Clara, 1 of these guys, 1 Galactaker, 1 Trigate Wizard, 1 Borlo, 1 Boar Sword, 1 Scoldred, 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. And then for my side deck, 3 Lava Golem. I normally play Spear Mode, but Lava Golem is better in this deck because burn and wipes boards and whatnot, so yeah. 3 Inspector Border because I don't have any active effects, so it'd be like maybe an extra Mystic Mine kinda. 3 Super Poly, 3 Call by the Graves, and then 3 Heavy Storm Dusters for background because I do play Trap Trick, so I figured this would be good background removal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Let me know what you think in the hatch below. Uh, again, thank you to my beautiful wife for helping me with these videos. It means so much to me. She's already playing Sims. So, anywho, anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This is the Jinzo, signing out. Bye.